Hello everyone, this is Abhidarani from Immaculate College for Women College. We have created an application named EduCore. EduCore is merely about education to the core. This is the outline of our application. We have seen many phases of virtual classrooms and technology development is in the progress now untamed. But every technology had some flaws like a coin with two sides. We had made an app named EduCore to find a solution for this issue. Here is a video for review. Application contains features that face recognition attendance, chat facility, work submission portal, online program compiler, students' mood detection, checking students' distraction level, poll to make quizzes, security, only the registered members can join, third-party access denied. Here, no need to mark attendance manually. This is the working system of face recognition attendance. Here are the steps involved in this system. These are the features of the face recognition system: multiple face detection, real-time face detection. EduCore refers to a two-way back and forth conversation that a student and teachers can have inside. This is the architectural design for the chat facility. We have security and backup facility, which is meant for user experience. Security and backup facility. We included the work submission portal. These are the steps involved in this process: submission, checking, correction, and evaluation. In this slide, we explain that what teachers will see or do and what students will see or do. This is the mechanism used in work submission portal. The next feature is online program compiler. In EduCore, compile and save your code and access it from anywhere without any overhead of management and resource limitation. Working of online program compiler. Teacher can open the compiler during the online class. Students can see the compilation virtually. Students can also compile the program in online or offline. They can save their coding. Emotion analysis in EduCore is a state-of-the-art technology that identifies and analyzes the band of the student's emotion spectrum, including moods, attitude, way of talking, and personality during online classes. Here is a simple mechanism for mood detection. Confused, sad, annoyed, angry, happy. These are the top distractions for students. Family in background, smartphone-based distraction for students, daydreaming in a familiar setting, off-topic browsing. And we have the solution for it. Teacher can easily identify background noise during online class in EduCore. If family members enter into the student's camera feed background regularly, EduCore sends a notification to the teacher. Educore notifies the teacher that the students switch the another tab. If students switch another, Educore automatically kick out the student and it notify the time when they left the meeting. During online classes, teachers can post their quizzes. Students could answer the quizzes during online class or the due time. After, the teacher can evaluate the students' answer with pie charts and graph diagrams that shows the overall results. Here are the steps shows that how it's work. Step 1. As a meeting moderator, teacher can create a poll for students to vote on it. Step 2. Students will get a notification in the meeting when the moderator starts the poll. Step 3. As the meeting participants, students can submit a response for a poll. Step 4. Students should submit their response before the poll or meeting ends. Step 4. After the meeting, the teacher is automatically emailed a report of the poll results. The report includes the name and answers of the participants. In our application, security aspects also included. These are the points included in our app. The mechanism shows that how security aspects work with the face recognition